is the fact that Metro chose me and Saif together. And I'd really like to thank you, especially for your wonderful words. And trust me, I don't know if anyone would want to be in our shoes, but still, we definitely want to be in Metro.
Yes, thank you very much. And obviously, I was joking earlier. Sorry to keep you all waiting. I'm also very proud to associate with this brand. I had no idea that Metro actually was connected to films in the way that it is. And I'm very, very proud. Both of us are proud to be here in that respect. Thank you.
Metro shoes are a rage. They are a fashion and notches above the rest because they set trends for others to follow. And today, with Miss Kareena Kapoor and Mr. Saif Ali Khan's association, they have done just the same. Can we please put our hands together for the revelation of our new Metro Shoes campaign? You must realize you all are the first lucky ones to witness this incredible campaign. Thank you. I'm sure this association is going to be a long-lasting one. Thank you, Ms. Bhanji. And going further, I would like to open the floor for the media to ask questions to Ms. Kareena Kapoor and Mr. Saif Ali Khan on their new role as brand ambassadors for Metro. Also requesting all the media personnel to mention their names and the channel they represent prior to the question. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. This is Raj from SpicesSarsMovie.com. I'd like to ask Kareena Kapoor, what's the USP of your brand, Metro Shoes? USP of Metro Shoes.
Sorry?
USP of Metro Shoes.
USP of Metro Shoes. Well, I think the most obvious thing is that it's the most successful shoe brand, Indian shoe brand in the country. And therefore the biggest, and therefore the most successful, and therefore the most complimentary for us to associate ourselves with.
Good evening, this is Vijay Shankar. Well, this is, you have been wearing different types of brands. How does Metro stand apart from others? Anybody, both of you can do it together.
I think just the fact that it's one of the biggest shoe brands in India, I think that's why obviously both Saif and me chose to be associated with it. And we obviously don't endorse any other shoe brand, and this being the best, I think we chose and made the right decision.
Do you have any particular choice for colors according to what you wear?
Of course, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would love to wear I love the gold shoe that I'm wearing in the photograph. And yeah, gold and red are actually my favorite colors. So.
Okay, and what about you, Mr. Saif?
Black is my favorite shoe color.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And brown sometimes.
Yeah, Saif here. I'd like to ask, while working for the big screen and while working for the ad, what difference you feel?
This was a photo session rather than a film shoot. Otherwise, in that sense, completely different. This is a photograph. So I think that it's a different way of expressing for the camera. A movie is a much longer and a much more poetic experience. And an ad film shoot is a much shorter time to communicate an idea. I suppose that's the main difference. And of course, a photograph is with a still camera and movies are made with a moving image camera. That's a more complicated process also. Yeah. But you know that, I guess. हाँ जी भाई जी 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 हाँ मेट्रो के जूते बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं उनको पहनते हुए मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है वैसे गर्मी के मौसम में मैं चप्पल पहनना पसंद करता हूँ लेकिन कभी कभी जब सूट पहनता हूँ तो ऐसे काले जूते अच्छे लगते हैं नमस्कार I wear her shoes. I would oblige her and wear her shoes. I would insist on at least gold or pink. I think would be my favorite. No, sorry, I'm just joking. What is your question, ma'am? Yes. Yes, of course. I often ask her and oblige her. Yes. Have I ever tripped upon my sister's shoe? No, I can't lie. I think I wore my mom's shoe once. But don't read anything into that. I'm quite manly. Sorry? 26? No. I'm just joking. I don't know, about 9 or something. I think I wanted to be taller.
How did it feel when you wore your mother's shoes?
Tall and quite sexy. But mainly tall.
And would you ever wear a Snickers in a party? Something crazy like that?
Yes, of course. It's not that crazy. It's quite relaxed and fashionable.
Saif and Kareena, before leaving to any party or any event you all are going together, do you all ask each other's opinion, like what do we wear normally in the footwear thing, like if you're talking about?
Yes. But she asks me but doesn't listen to me very often.
And what about you? Like, do you ask her what are you to wear? And how much do you also obey?
Would you believe me if I told you that I take more time to get ready than her?
Sir, what are your criteria for endorsing any brand?
A certain amount of financial compensation is always a good thing. And the quality of the product. And I think it should be a mutual kind of compliment. If they do a lot of research before they choose you for being a brand ambassador. And if they've done that, and if they've come to you and asked you to do that, it's a compliment usually. And I think when it's mutually complimentary, it's pretty obvious when
would you
quality
be
product.